So just now to conclude testing of the Tilo remote cable operated bath overflow assembly. Now in the last video I showed you where when the water had reached the height of the overflow slots, that the water then flowed down the tube here back down into the waste body, and the water was coming out where it would normally come out, where it's connected to your waste outlet pipe. Now the feature of the Tilo remote cable operated bath pop-ups is that if you have it installed in a spa or bath and you're relaxing on a cold winter's night and you notice the water's getting a bit cold and you want to drain some of that water and refill it with some hot water. So with the remote cable operated pop-up bath assembly, all you need to do at that point is just release some of the water by turning this knob. Now when you turn this knob, you'll notice the plug in the pop-up waste will come up, allowing the water to flow through. And then when you want to stop the water, say if you've drained out 10-20 liters, you can then just turn the knob back and the plug will shutting off your water. So there's no fiddling around with the plug, pulling it out and then trying to get the plug back in, and there's all sorts of problems when that happens. You know, the plug will get sucked down and you won't be able to get it out when you want it. So that is one of the features of this Tilo remote cable operated bath plug and waste overflow assembly. It does so many things. I mean, it's just a brilliant invention, and used in spas and also baths alike. So we'll just test that now by releasing the water, by twisting the knob, and you can hear the water now rushing out down here. Now, say we've emptied out 4 or 5 liters, you want to turn off. You can just confidently turn the knob back and the water has stopped. So that is one of the many features of this product, and of course it acts as an overflow, so you will not flood your bathroom if you've left the tap on. But further, if you've then got to have your spa, dry it off, and you realize, oh, I need to release the water, well then you don't have to climb back into the spa and pull the plug out or press down to pop it up or whatever. You just need to, from the outside, just turn the knob, release some of the water, and then obviously turn it back if you want it stopped. I won't release all that water now because I've only got an 8-litre bucket, and this bath holds in excess of 120, probably maybe even 150 litres. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.